I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by powering down and removing the battery. Safety first. Once done, inspect the grill and cabinet for loose screws or visible tears in the cone, and note any burning smell. You should photograph the driver and connector locations for reassembly. Then test continuity with a multimeter at the speaker terminals to confirm voice coil integrity and label wires. Make sure to work on a clean surface. This prevents lost screws and accidental shorts while you proceed. You next isolate the problem. Inject a low-volume 1K HC tone and listen for rattles, distortion, or no output. Once you identify the bad section, driver, tweeter, or crossover, open the crossover board and inspect electrolytic caps for bulging or leaks and solder joints for cracks. Carefully desolder bad capacitors or a blown driver and replace with same value and voltage rating. Make sure to maintain polarity on tweeters and drivers. Correct phasing preserves bass response. You now reassemble. Reconnect labeled wires, seat gaskets, and tighten screws evenly to avoid cabinet stress. Then run a tiered test. Play pink noise and music at low, medium, then near normal listening levels, listening for rattles, phase issues, or heat. Once satisfied, seal the grill and check long-term stability. If problems persist after these steps, swap the suspected driver with a known good unit to isolate the fault. This is the single most useful troubleshooting tip before ordering parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.